Jam question going on now on my YouTube channel. Calculative aspect of wave. The frequency of a vibrating source is 450 Hz. It's 450 what? Jam is going on live on my YouTube channel. Jam question going on live. The frequency of vibration of a vibrating source is 450 Hz. And the velocity of the sound it produces in air is 330 meter per second. And the velocity of sound it produces in air is 330 meter per second. Find how far the sound travels when the source completes 50 vibration.
When the source completes
50 vibrations. If it happen. Okay, ngwa negenti. Ngwa go question of Magiotia, go question Magiotia. Is there any word under there? Eh? They ask you how far, how what? That is this. It's talking about what? Distance. How far mean? If it is how long, it means what? But now this one is talking about how far. Do you see anything like? Do you see anything like? Find distance between two. Eh? It just asks you find how. Find what? They are giving you frequency. Am I lying? They are giving you what? Once you see velocity frequency, you use wave what? Formula. You know that the things is linking with wave formula. Do you understand? First of all, we have three wave formula on velocity. Look at the board. Three words. Lambda equals to velocity is equals to what? Lambda f. Velocity is equals to what? Lambda t. See? Velocity is equals to what? Distance t. In our ten, in our ten. So now, which one are we going to use now from this formula? What? Because there is nothing like distance between two things. So we are going to use these ones. Now let's say, look at the board. So velocity is what? From the parameter, velocity is what? That's what we are going to use. Distance over time. They ask you how far. Velocity is what? Is there any distance there? They ask you to find what? If you know formula, you start doing what? Fishing. Do you understand? Is there time? Eh?
yes.
Which time? Eh? So you get time with a relationship between time and frequency because there is a frequency. Is there no frequency there? Eh? What is the formula for frequency? Frequency equals to what? Number of what? Oscillation over what?
Time.
Or frequency equals to 1 over
Time.
or is equal to time equals to 1 over frequency. See? So for you to make time the solve the formula, it simply means that time is equals to what? Number of oscillation over frequency. See? So how many oscillation is there? Eh? 50 where? So time now is equals to what? 50 over what? Frequency is what?
450.
So our time is what now? 1 over 9. Divide the area. In out here. In out here. 1 over 9. Divide the area of phone. Are you with it? You do what? Plus and what? So our S distance will be what? 330 times what? 0.111. S distance equals to what? What's the answer? Check it. That's it. Point what?
6.63.
Do you understand? Is it too hard? Is it too hard? So when to solve this thing, just know the formula for wave. These three formulas, so that you know the one you do what? Use and fees. Do you understand? Another question now. Now, a radio station in Edozo. A radio what?
A radio station.
A radio station broadcast at a frequency of what? 300 kilohertz. 300 what? Kilohertz. If the speed of the wave is 3 times 10 raised to power 8 meter per of the wave is 3 times 10 raised to power 10 raised to power 8 meter per second.
3 times.
10, if the speed of wave is 3 times 10 raised to power meter times 10 raised to power 8 meter per second. A radio station broadcasts at a frequency of 300 kilohertz. If the speed of the wave is 3 times 10 raised to power 8 meter per second, calculate the period and the wavelength of the wave. Ya, nka una garu nka. Lawyer no fella lo. Every formula for frequency and time connection. If you see frequency and time, check their connection, use their connection to get one of them. Do you understand? We have two formulas that connect frequency and what? Are you hearing me? Let's take a look at the board. We have two formulas that connect frequency and what? Look at the board. Frequency and time. Frequency is equals to what? Number of what? Oscillation over time. Over what? Or frequency equals to what? 1 over time. Or is equal to time is equals to what? Frequency 1 over 1 over frequency. Or is equal to time equals to what? Number of oscillation over frequency. In out here. If you get a solution formula, about the same thing will happen. So now this is the formula connecting frequency and time. When I tell you the formula connecting frequency, velocity and wavelength, do you understand? We have three formula connect three of them, which is that velocity is equals to what? Wavelength and what? Frequency. Or velocity is equals to what? Or velocity is equals to what? Distance over. Just know this formula so that the thing will help you to solve any question. So look at the board, look at it. Which one are we going to use now? What are we going to do? What are we going to do? Kefa again, man. Or the down. Manual. Manual the motor. Manual off. Up here. Or out here. Eh? Or they not confusing? Find the wavelength, find the period, the time. Period is called what? That is time now. From the frequency you get the period. Take the formula connecting frequency and words. Period. Do you understand? If I get me now. Ngwana ị ga-eme n'enu ntị gee ntị na formula ha na-abụ kele ọnụ line about frequency bụ gịnị number of gịnị oscillation over gịnị or frequency is equals to what 1 over time is called period. Ị na-abaghị formula ị ga-use rụọ ya ebe a na nka cheke second one because I get number of gịnị oscillation. Ngwa lụọ eweta nsị ya. Yota fees any and I fees a frequency. If you can care about maybe because of business of when can where one day ya. You got frequency with 300 kilowatt, kilo hertz, kilo with 1,000. Kilo begini kia 1,000, 1 kilo. Yeah, actually, so okay, I would say 300 kilo, no kilo hertz can you kilo mean what? 1,000, no ya. It goes to 1 over what? T. So it cross multiply either. Because multiply make you get times so of the formula. We say 1 over what? You understand? 1 over here, okay, but no ya. Time we 1 over. How much time we give me say 1 over here na create with answer. You're telling me that. Where the near kilo 1,000, no be your meaning. Eh? So what about the velocity? What about the wavelength? Wavelength can be getting in 2 ways, I see. It's about connection between hand and in and use on car or use on car. Yeah, they had now. Connection between you take a connection how it's about parameters there. Check a formula hana we call in common. Do you understand? Man, you got problem, I am not go weak.